Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some diagnostic techniques trivia. What imaging technique uses X-rays to produce detailed images of the heart? A. Echocardiogram, or B. Coronary angiography, or C. CT head, or D. MRI scan? The correct answer is B. Coronary angiography. Which non-invasive imaging technique uses high-frequency sound waves? A. X-ray, or B. MRI, or C. PET scan, or D. Ultrasound? The correct answer is D. Ultrasound. What type of scan uses magnetic fields to create images of body organs? A. X-ray, or B. MRI, or C. PET scan, or D. CT scan? The correct answer is B. Which technique tests for electrical activity of the heart? A. Chest X-ray, or B. Blood pressure test, or C. Heart rate monitor, or D. Electrocardiogram? The correct answer is D. Electrocardiogram. What technique involves sampling cells from tissues? A. Cytology, or B. Biopsy, or C. Autopsy, or D. Endoscopy? The correct answer is B. Biopsy. Which diagnostic method assesses lung function? A. Spirometry or blood test, or C. X-ray or CT scan? The correct answer is A. Spirometry. What imaging technique provides detail of bones using X-rays? Radiography, MRI scan, or CT angiography, or D. Ultrasound? The correct answer is A. Radiography. What method is used to examine the interior of the colon? A. Colonoscopy, or B. Blood test, or C. Sigmoidoscopy, or D. MRI scan? The correct answer is A. Colonoscopy. Which diagnostic scan uses radioactive materials to visualize organs? A. X-ray exam, or B. MRI scan, or C. PET scan, or D. Ultrasound imaging? The correct answer is C. PET scan. What technique monitors brain activity through electrodes? A. MRI scan, or B. X-ray, or C. CT scan? The correct answer is CG. Which imaging technique utilizes radiation to treat conditions? A. CT contrast, or B. Radiotherapy, or C. X-ray imaging, or D. MRI scan? The correct answer is B. Radiotherapy. Which test uses a needle to extract fluid from joints? A. Arthrocentesis, or B. Blood test, or C. Joint injection, or D. MRI scan? The correct answer is A. Arthrocentesis. What condition can be diagnosed using a skin patch test? A. Diabetes, or B. Allergies, or C. Eczema, or D. Asthma? The correct answer is B. Allergies. What technique uses CT scans to guide biopsies? A. X-ray targeting, or B. CT guided biopsy, or C. Ultrasound mapping, or D. MRI navigation? The correct answer is B. CT guided biopsy. Which imaging technique is used to evaluate bone density? A. DEXA scan, or B. CT scan, or C. MRI, or D. X-ray? The correct answer is A. DEXA scan. What does an echocardiogram assess in the heart? A. Heart rhythm changes, or B. Oxygen saturation, or C. Structure and function, or D. Blood pressure levels? The correct answer is C. Structure and function. What testing method screens for lung cancer in high-risk patients? A. Low-dose CT scan, or B. Chest X-ray, or C. Blood test, or D. MRI scan? The correct answer is A. Low-dose CT scan. Which diagnostic tool analyzes the presence of pathogens in a sample? A. PCR testing or blood test, or C. X-ray analysis, or D. Culture. The correct answer is D. Culture. What technique uses a stethoscope to listen to internal sounds? A. Inspection or auscultation, or C. Palpation, or D. Percussion. The correct answer is B. Auscultation. Which type of scan utilizes a contrast medium for enhanced images? A. Ultrasound imaging, or B. Plain X-ray, or C. MRI without contrast, or D. Contrast-enhanced CT. The correct answer is D. Contrast-enhanced CT. What diagnostic technique uses a laser for precise imaging? MRI scan, or B. X-ray technique, or C. Ultrasound imaging, or D. Optical coherence tomography. The correct answer is D. Optical coherence tomography. What imaging technique measures blood flow in tissues? A. Ultrasound scan, or B. MRI contrast, or C. Perfusion imaging, or D. X-ray vision. The correct answer is C. Perfusion imaging. Which imaging method is effective for detecting tumors? A. X-ray, or B. CT scan, or C. MRI scan, or D. Ultrasound. The correct answer is B. CT scan. What diagnostic technique uses sweet or salty solutions to test sweat glands? A. Blood culture, or B. Lipid profile, or C. ECG test, or D. Sweat test. The correct answer is D. Sweat test. Which medical technique uses X-rays to detect breast cancer? A. Ultrasound imaging, or B. CT scan, or C. MRI scan, or D. Mammography. The correct answer is D. Mammography. What imaging technique employs radio waves and magnetic fields? A. Magnetic resonance imaging, or B. X-ray imaging, or C. Ultrasound scanning, or D. CT scan. The correct answer is A. Magnetic resonance imaging. What technique analyzes genetic material for mutations? A. Blood typing, or B. Biopsy analysis, or C. Genetic testing, or D. MRI scanning. The correct answer is C. Genetic testing. Which instrument is used to measure intraocular pressure? A. Tonometer, or B. Otoscope, or C. Thermometer, or D. Sphygmomanometer. The correct answer is A. Tonometer. Which technique is used to measure body temperature? A. Barometry, or B. Calorimetry, or C. Gravimetry, or D. Thermometry. The correct answer is D. Thermometry. Which diagnostic imaging is used for the abdomen and pelvis? A. X-ray, or B. CT scan, or C. Abdominal ultrasound, or D. The correct answer is C. Abdominal ultrasound. What method is utilized to assess visual acuity? A. Ishihara test, or B. Amsler grid, or C. Snellen chart, or D. Vision assessment app. The correct answer is C. Snellen chart. Which procedure uses a camera to visualize the digestive tract? A. X-ray, or B. Ultrasound, or C. Endoscopy, or MRI. The correct answer is C. Endoscopy. What assay evaluates the presence of certain antibodies? A. Serology, or B. PCR test, or C. Blood type, or D. X-ray scan. The correct answer is A. Serology. What is the primary function of a spirometer? A. Measure lung capacity, or B. Measure blood pressure, or C. Diagnose heart disease, or D. Assess cholesterol levels. The correct answer is A. Measure lung capacity. Which type of scan determines brain activity? A CT scan or B X-ray or C MRI scan or D functional MRI? The correct answer is D functional MRI. What imaging technique assesses blood vessels of the brain? CT scan or B cerebral angiography or C MRI scan or D X-ray? The correct answer is B cerebral angiography. Which test checks for signs of infection in the urinary tract? A urinalysis or B X-ray or C blood test or D CT scan? The correct answer is A urinalysis. What is employed to detect hearing impairment? A sound level meter or B audiometry or C earwax test or D hearing aid? The correct answer is B audiometry. Which instrument is used to check blood pressure? A glucometer, sphygmomanometer, or C stethoscope, or D thermometer? Correct answer is B sphygmomanometer. What type of analysis measures coagulation in blood? A blood pH test or coagulation profile, or C blood viscosity test, or D hemoglobin level? The correct answer is B coagulation profile. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.